बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। माय नेम इज सजिदा रजा। आई एम student of class 4. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn graded all-level maths for all-level science commerce group, new syllabus mathematics book 3, 7th edition, chapter number 1, quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1, solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Intermediate level B3 type question. Question number 5, solve each of the following questions. C. So also the form of quadratic equations are written and the methods. And today we are going to learn the completing the square method. Also the book answers and the steps are written. And you can see we are going to start this book all levels 3. Now the first step is convert into standard form. So we will multiply x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 4x. Now we can do this. So x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 4x. So this will become here. So x square minus 3x minus 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. Then we have possibility for this. X square minus 7x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now use coefficient of x. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, square it. Okay, put on both sides and solve. Okay, so here will come x square minus 7x minus 10 plus 7 upon 2 whole square is equal to 7 upon 2 whole square. Then use a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. First of all, this will be go there. Plus 10. Now we will use a minus b whole square formula. So x minus 7 upon 2 whole square is equal to 49 upon 4 plus 10. Here we will divide it. So I have no space, that's why I want to remove the above one. Wait for a while, I am coming back. Now we can start over the remaining thing. What? Now we are to divide. Now we are dividing this now 4 upon 4, 49 upon 4. So 49 upon 4 we will divide. First of all, we can write this 7 upon 2 whole square is equal to 12.25. So plus 10. Now we will do the plus 10. So answer will come x minus, and we are dividing this 7 upon 2 also. So here will come 3.5 whole square is equal to 22.25. 22.25. Now take radical on both sides. Okay. Minus. Now we are to make two equations. So here come x minus 3 upon 5. 3.5 is equal to radical 22.25. Then x minus 3.5 to into minus radical 22.25. Now square root 4.7169. Okay, x minus 3.5 is equal to 4.7169. I am solving and understanding you the both in the one time. So x minus 3.5 is equal to minus 4.7169. Then this will be go there and this will be go there. So x is equal to 5.47169 plus 3.5. Then x is equal to minus 4.7169 plus 3.5. Now roots are 8.2196, 2169, and the second one is and minus 1.2169. Then round off. Okay, so here will come x is equal to 8.22, and the second one x is equal to minus 1.22. And you can see I want to remove and write the roots. That's why I want to show you my answer and yours answer also. So this space is better. So roots are 8.22 or minus 1.22, and this is become our answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. 8.22 minus 1.22 minus 1.22. Simple means this is correct. Okay. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.